Hi folks, in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to draw a circle tangential to two converging lines and touching one of them at a given point. So assuming we have the two converging lines, so let this be these converging lines, they will meet at an angle. Let's assume we have the two converging lines here. So you should know that two converging lines, they are synonymous to an angle. So let's call it angle BAC. I have two converging lines here. So now the next thing to do is you have a given point P on the two converging lines. Let me extend the angle to the right. We have a given point P. Now the next step is to bisect the angle. Let's bisect the angle. This is the angle here. Bisecting it. So okay, let's there we go. This should be the center of the bisector. I guess that's not the center. Sorry, I have the center here. Yes, so we go. There we go. Now basically the next step to this is we need to draw a line perpendicular to AB from P. So we'll draw a line perpendicular to AB. So let this be A, let this be B. We'll draw a line perpendicular to this line from this P. So all you need to do is you make the ruler and your set square. Place your ruler below the line AB and equal distance from it. And you slide your set square till you get to P. This is our line P. This is the perpendicular. Then the next step is you make it to intersect the bisector of the angle at O. So this perpendicular must intersect the bisector at O. So let's extend it. So this will be O. It intersects the perpendicular at O. After doing that, the next step, which is the last step, is we center O and we just PO, draw the required circle. So with this PO, we're going to draw the required circle, and this circle is going to be tangential to two converging lines and touching one of them at the given point. So let's do that. Here we go. So this is how to draw a circle tangential to two converging lines and touching one of them at a point. Thanks for watching.